We are in our Piano Adventure lesson book, primer level, and we are playing, hey, Mr. Half Note Dot. Okay, so today we are learning about the dotted half note. And what that is, it's a half note with a dot next to it. And this note gets 3 counts. The note here gets 2, and the dot is 1, equals 3. So we would say banana for a dotted half note. Banana or ta-a-a. So let's go through, color the stems of all of your notes, and we have beat, 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 banana. Okay, so this is called 3/4 time, 3 beats in a measure, and the quarter note gets 1 count. So there's 1 count every measure, and the quarter note gets 1. So beat, 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 or 1, 1, 1. And then the dotted half note gets all of them. Banana. Okay, so this is what our song is going to sound like. And we can have our thumbs share middle C. Here we go. Left hand first. 1, 2, 3. Repeat. Okay, so let's go through and we'll do our solfege first. Starting here on C and we're going down. Ready? Go. Do, ti, la, sol. Sol, la, ti, do. Do, re, mi, fa, sol, fa, mi, re, do. Okay, now we will say our note names. 1, 2, ready, go. C, B, A, G, G, A, B, C, C, D, E, F, G, F, E, D, C. Now let's do our colors. 1, 2, ready, go. Red, pink, purple, teal, teal, purple, pink, red. Red, orange, yellow, green, teal, green, yellow, orange, red. Let's do our finger numbers. 1, 2, ready, go. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, 3, 2, 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now let's do our beats. So we've got beets, melons, and bananas. 1, 2, ready, go. Beat, 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 banana. Beat, 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 banana. Beat, 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 melon. Beat, banana. Now it's time to play our duet. You're going to move down 1, and I'm going to move up here. So here we go. 1, 2, 3.